Hey everybody! Look at me! Look at me! Joy, of course, in my new carpeted sewing movie room. I'm having the best morning. Woo! Doesn't new carpet feel so good under your toes? Oh, I just love it. I've got my music on in there. I hope it's not too loud. I've got Reba on and somebody, Montgomery or something. I love those Western CDs because you can do the two-step, and so I just two-step all the way in my quilt room, not two-step all the way back. Every once in a while a waltz comes on and I'll waltz my way in there. I love it. You want to see what I'm doing? I'm having more fun this morning. Hold on, let me put my coffee down before I destroy my brand new coffee. My brand new coffee. My brand new carpet. They both start with a C, you know my brain. Okay. Let me show you what I'm doing. Alright, this bedroom's done. The sheets are in the washer. Last night I hauled fabric till I couldn't even move anymore. So I've got that bookcase there. It's not all filled up yet. I've got, oh my God, all that fabric back there. I've completely forgot about that fabric till just this second, and I saw it in the camera. And then I've got my IKEA shelves back up in here. I put all that fabric last night. So that IKEA shelf was already here, but this is the new IKEA shelf. So see, inside the bedroom, IKEA shelf, and right outside the bedroom, IKEA shelf. So, big deal, who cares? So you have some shelves. But look what I'm doing. See, I have all this fabric here still. This fabric here, that fabric there, that fabric over there. And this shelf, this is the one, I had to move it, all that fabric had to come out. Remember over there I had a whole bunch of fabric and all my quilting jelly rolls and those 10-inch square things. I put them all up there on the top shelf this time. And then this is all cotton, 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 but I'm changing it. I got the most brilliant idea. I'll show you. I decided, and I'll have to go back through everything, but the thing about it is, I can just pull out one bolt at a time, see? And so it's not so horrible. But could you please slow down, Joey? We're getting drunk. All right, see what I decided to do? I'm putting all of the same things together. So I'm going to put all the reds together. This is going to be all black and white. See, I just picked up 2 more black and whites. And I'm going to stick them in there with those black and whites, see? And this one, the fabric, the next bolt of fabric will hold that fold up there. So, there's my brand new shelf. I played all morning with my material. Remember how I said I was going to put the colors together? The reds, the turquoises, the blues, the navies, the blacks. Turns out I have the most blacks. Black and whites and black and something else. I have a whole bunch of blues. I have only four that are yellow or sort of yellow. I need to look in my other bookcases to see if there's any more. A little bit of green, a little bit of purple. Some of those purples are kind of bluey purples. A little bit of pink and whites. A little bit of pink and pink. A little bit of white, all white and white and something. And then these are the off-whites and something prints. So how fun is this? Look at all my reds. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Getting new carpet. You know what the worst part of getting new carpet is? I bet you have all done it in the last 22 years. I haven't done it for 22 years. And when we got the carpet in here, there was no furniture the first time. So the worst part of getting new carpet is getting the old carpet up and out. Oh, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess. Thank goodness those 2 guys are hauling all of the old carpet and the old scraps and the old pad and the old glue and all that junk. They're hauling it off for us, thank goodness. Oh, I just made a fresh cup after my lunch. Oh. Climbing stairs, we just moved the furniture back into our bedroom. Lifted, lifted, lifted. So you always sound like you're out of breath. I am always out of breath these days. Oh, decaf. All right. So I'm taking a break. I've got all of my fabric put away, all of it. 7 huge boxes full, plus all of that you saw stacked all over my house. It is all put away. And did you notice I just now showed you my bookcase, and there's more empty space in it. There's room for more fabric. And around the corner in the other room, there's at least 4 empty shelves in there. So I am just excited out of my mind that I have more room thanks to this new IKEA shelf. So, my friend Glenda at SureFit Designs wanted to thank me for the videos that I did on how to sew a blouse and how to sew the pants. And I told her, do nothing, do nothing, do nothing. You don't need to do anything. But she insisted. And so I received a gift card to Fabric Mart Fabrics from her. Very, very sweet. So, I mean, what's a girl to do? I mean, somebody gives you a gift card. You know, a friend of mine gave me one recently too. But the gift card she gave me, you could use anywhere. I mean, you could use it at Walmart or Target or a fabric store, which of course I used it at a fabric store. So anyway, since this gift card was to Fabric Mart Fabrics, I had to buy fabric. And Fabric Mart Fabrics getting some new stuff in again. They're getting some new stuff. For the longest time, probably because of COVID, I just wasn't seeing anything there that I liked at all. So let's see what I came up with. I picked some things I usually wouldn't pick because Glenda was paying for them. I thought, oh, I'll let myself have that, and I'll let myself have that. So, I haven't looked at these yet, you guys, and of course I don't remember what I ordered. So, big cardboard box. They couldn't put them in one of those plastic bags this time, so they put them in this cardboard box that says Cold Ease. I got the box and I thought, what on earth is Cold Ease? Jerry, did you order Cold Ease? Something for a cold. All right, let's see what I got here. This is all from fabricmartfabrics.com. This is 100% rayon, large broken retro chevron print challis. You know, I got some challis with the gift card my girlfriend sent me, and I love it. I just love it. I thought, oh my gosh, no wonder people like challis. So this is a real wild child here. What do you think? Woo! That would be a fun blouse. A fun blouse. Yes, very nice, very nice. I think a dress would be too much, but definitely a cute blouse. Oh, lots of fun. Very fun. Okay, that's number 1. This is number 2. Let's see if this is a challis. Not like I remember what I ordered 5 minutes after I order it. All right, this is a 100% rayon double border Aztec floral print CHA. Well, it's either cha-cha or challis. I would say challis, because there's no such thing as cha. So look at this. There's a border on this side, and there's a border on this side, and it's a black with a little, I'll put it up close. It's black with a little tiny star with a black dot. And the border is really pretty. Oh, I love that one. I love that one. It's very different to me than what it looked like online. You know, you can't really tell what the colors are or what the feel is or how far the borders are or anything until you get it. And this is just lovely. Look at that. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Beautiful. Thank you, Glenda. Oh. Oh, these cha-chas. We'll call it a cha-cha. They're so soft. Now here's just a plain red. You notice I have a whole shelf full of red. This is a tomato polyester blouse weight woven. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Definitely a blouse. Definitely. I like this one a lot. It's not orange, but it's a tomato red. So that's the third one. Ooh, here's a pretty one. I think this is linen. Oh, this is gorgeous. Vivid Pacific Blue Linen Rayon, lightweight woven. Yeah, this was one of the more expensive ones that I allowed myself to have. I allowed myself to have it. It is very, very pretty. The color is gorgeous. This will be a dress. This will definitely be a dress. It's beautiful. Either that or pants and a shirt to match. Let me see, how many yards did I get of you? 2.5 yards. It says dry clean. Well, there's not going to be any dry clean. Is it linen? Yeah, linen and rayon. I don't do dry clean duty. They've lost my husband's shirt. They burned my husband's shirts. They've lost the buttons on my husband's shirts. They've melted the buttons on my husband's shirts. Now this is just too cute. This is little shoes. This is 100% cotton sneaker print. And it's just super cute. I'm putting them up close so you can see better. Is that fun? I thought, oh Joy, you're just an old granny. You shouldn't get that one. You're going to look silly wearing shoes. But then I thought, Granny's going to wear tennis shoes. Why can't grannies wear tennis shoes? Am I going completely downhill? My camera looks like it's going downhill. Oh well. We have crimson white plum. Plum? Oh. 100% rayon dainty tulip print challis. Challis again. I probably can wear that one. I think I can wear that one. This will be a dress. Why do I look like I'm going totally downhill? Polyester rayon lycra fine twill stretch lightweight suiting. It says gentle wash. Why? Why would you have to gentle wash it? It's just material. Just material. These are all so wide. Goodness. Yeah. That's really pretty. I'm not sure that's my color. I'll have to see. When I edit these, I look and I say, oh, I like that one. Oh, I don't like that one. This is a black one. A black one. This feels like a challis again. This is nice. This one looked funny to me on the pictures. Now, do you know about Fabric Mart Fabrics? They are the only place I know that drapes their fabric over a stool and they hang it down and you can look at the picture of it, and the picture is worth 1,000 words when it is draped that way. Because if they just show you a little piece of it, or they show it laying flat, or they show it gathered or whatever, you cannot tell the drape of it. But Fabric Mart Fabric always hangs it over a stool, and it is just amazing. The difference that it makes, especially insofar as the sizing of the print. But this is just beautiful. Bet it's a challis again, a cha-cha. Let's see if this is another cha-cha. It is. It's a challis. Yeah. Okay. This is a white, 100%. No, it's a navy deep berry off-white, 100% challis. Challis. Oh, this is a Viv kind. I see Viv when she'll buy these fabrics, and I'll say, what is she going to do with that stripe? Well, what is she going to do with that? And they just look amazing when she gets them made up. So I bought this to try to copy Viv and make something fun with a stripe. Let me hold it up close. Pretty pink. Pretty pink. That should brighten me up. That should brighten me right up. Look at that. It's kind of itchy though. After feeling those challis, these linens are itchy. I'll wash it and soften it up. And I'm sure it's going to say dry clean only. This is a fuchsia linen cotton lycra shirtweight. So this will have to be a shirt. That could be 2 or 3 shirts. Good heavens. Ooh, this is a beautiful. Oh, it's a bluish. See, what I'm wearing is blue, and And this isn't it. It's a, oh shit, they call it blueberry. It's a purpley blue. It's beautiful. It's a stretch twill. Stretch twill? That has to be pants, you guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That has to be pants. It doesn't stretch very far. If it stretches, it's minuscule. Yeah, very little stretch. But this is a blueberry rayon cotton lycra stretch twill couture. It's a couture New York City designer, and it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I may make a two-piece outfit out of this, pants and a top. It is absolutely beautiful. If I can ever quit appliquing joy tops. I'm having so much fun using my Alissimo. Now I just now got my Solaris put back up. You can see, I think you can see the table over here, part of it anyway. And so now my Solaris is back up, so I actually can use it to embroider something. Oh my gosh, I think that's the prettiest one so far, you guys. If they've still got some of that blueberry left, I would highly recommend it. It's beautiful. Now what's this? Black linen cotton mid-weight woven. Okay, this is for pants. I bought this for pants. And it's just a black linen. Does it say you're not dare allowed to wash it? Yeah, it says dry clean. I will not be dry cleaning it. I will be washing it. Very nice. Very nice. Almost to the bottom. I think there's one more after this, if you haven't fallen asleep. This is a stretch linen, cardinal linen rayon stretch linen. This was an expensive one, and it says, I mean for me, $9 a yard, that's like a fortune for me to spend on fabric. A stretch linen, this will be pants. Maybe matching pants and top. Oh yeah, or you could make a topper and pants, that would be good too. Here's the last one, you guys. I got to the bottom of the box. Wow. Wow. Now here's another one I thought, like Viv, I have to copy Viv. She always buys these bright stripes. And so I thought, I am going to buy me some and see what I can do with them. Isn't that wild? I don't have anything like this in any, I just did all my fabric, right? I don't think I have I think I saw one cotton blue and white stripe. Because I just don't do stripes. But this is gorgeous. It's got that little bit of yellow in it. It's very pretty. Off-white, yellow, black, fuchsia, flame, polyester lycra vertical stripe, DTY, knit. I don't know what DTY means. I know what ITY means. Maybe it's double knit. Let me hold it up close so you can see. All right, my friends, the box is empty, and I have to get busy putting everything away. They should be done in my closet now. Jerry and I had to take all of our pants. You know, the bottom rack, the top rack is all your tops, the bottom rack is all your pants and your skirts and stuff. Oh, his totally filled up the king size bed in Boo Bear's room, and mine totally filled up the double bed in Pumpkin Pants' room, and on the rack, and on the chairs, and on other places in the house. And I do not want to go in there. I've done stuff in my closet. I'm going to show you. I've done some closet minimalizing, organizing that I've never done before, something totally different. And if people weren't down there in my closet putting carpet in, I will show you. But I'll show you soon. You're going to like it. It's really different. All right, guys. I'm going to let you go for today. Did I tell you what today is? It's Friday. It's Friday, the end of another week. The carpet people still have the living room to do, the joy room to do, and one of the bedrooms downstairs to do. So that will all be done next week. So I may be back this weekend. Maybe I'll show you my closet. But bye for now.